They say fortune favors the bold. And in the world of investing, if you listen to me, that couldn't be more true. Warren Buffett famously said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. But how do you know when it's time to make a bold call? When you should go against the crowd and seize opportunities others are too scared to touch. Before breaking it down, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share this content to help me grow in the community. And now, let's dive deep. Right now, the market is sending mixed signals, uncertainty, volatility, and a lot of noise. In this context, Tom Lee, strategist at Fundstrat, sees a potentially choppy first start of the year, but, embrace yourself, is also seeing a major rally in spring 2025. According to Lee, we could expect a rally between 10 and 15%, basically offsetting all the losses of the past 2 weeks. And this sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. If you are not in the market, you might miss out. Lee points out that the 10 best days in the market accounted for about 21 percentage points of gains looking at the S&P 500. Long story short, took those days out and the market barely moved. It is absolutely crazy, but it's true. And this is why timing the market is a losing game. But if you don't believe me, just listen to legendary investor Peter Lynch, who said that far more money was lost by investors preparing for correction than in the correction themselves. In this light, panic is the real enemy of profits. Because it is true that market reacts badly to bad news, and this is basically quite intuitive, right? But it also recovers. Tariffs, inflation, COVID, the dot-com crash. Every crisis felt like the end of the world. Yet the market always bounced back. And Lee compares today's trade crisis to Brexit. In brief, an initial chaos followed by a swift recovery. And if history teaches us anything, it is that bold investors that stay the course and stay on track without panicking are those ones that ultimately win. Now, moving on to another topic, artificial intelligence. AI is the next big thing, and this is a fact. Disrupting industries, creating wealth, but also opening the door to scams and impersonation. And this is also something that we have to be mindful. Talking about AI, Tom Lee warns us about AI-driven frauds that nowadays are on the rise. A reason why social media platforms need to step up, because most of the frauds flow through those channels. This in any case doesn't mean that AI is a bad investment. It just means that you need to be selective, strategic, and always informed. Because some of the big players like Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, just to mention some, continue to push the boundaries of innovation. The key for savvy investor is to identify the companies driving the real growth and not just chasing the hype, as 99% of the traders do. So choose wisely where to stay, whether to look for short-term strategies, being de facto a trader, or an investor looking for long-term potential. We can put it this way, hype versus numbers. What I can tell you now is that Tom Lee has an intriguing investment strategy called Granny Shots. That is an ETF based on 35 stocks that Lee believes are solid and long-term investments. And the name Granny Shots is intentional, so it's not a joke. That in basketball is an under-hand free throw, known for its accuracy and reliability, even if quite weird to say, not really stylish. This to say that those investments are not flashy or risky. They are dependable, like sure things, and is looking for companies with staying power. And it does it by identifying general themes or trends that will shape the future. Cybersecurity, the needs of the millennials that will be the big spenders in the financial sector going forward, artificial intelligence, tech. These companies will all be part of Lee's ETF. And it's no surprise if in the top 10 holdings we find names like Apple and Microsoft. So nothing really exotic. Anyway, for those one really interested into Tom Lee's strategy, I will upload a 30-minute podcast talking exactly about his view of the market. Stay tuned because it is gonna be spicy. And now let's continue. Speaking of investments and hype, let's talk about Bitcoin now. Tom Lee believes that Bitcoin, brace yourself, could hit 5 million if it reaches gold market cap. This can sound a bit crazy to say. Still, we don't have to forget that 10 years ago, Bitcoin was worth peanuts. The lesson: don't dismiss bold ideas a priori, just because they seem far-fetched today. And just to underscore this, investment banks are pouring millions into Bitcoin ETFs. And with increasing mainstream adoption, according to Lee, we can be in the early innings of another bull cycle, supported also by the strategic Bitcoin reserve to be set up by the US government. Just to close the circle, if Bitcoin becomes a crucial global asset, the countries that stockpile it can have a tremendous economic leverage. Imagine just a future, and it's not that difficult to imagine it, where digital assets are as critical as gold and oil. If you believe that we are close to that kind of future, ignoring Bitcoin today will be like ignoring the rise of internet in the 90s. Moving to the next crucial item. Let's not forget about another critical piece of the puzzle: interest rate and the Federal Reserve. Lee believes that if the economy starts struggling, the Fed will promptly step in and start cutting rates, fueling another surge in stocks. And historically, major market downturns have been followed by aggressive recoveries, bringing panicking investors to miss out on the biggest gains. So, what's the takeaway? First of all, that investing is not about reacting to fear. It's about being rational when others are emotional. As simple as that. Seeing opportunities when others see doom. Second, that the greatest investors make bold calls. Not reckless ones, but educated and strategic ones. They research, they plan, and then they act decisively. And there is nothing that prevents you being one of them. So the question is, are you ready to be bold? So guys, we reached the end of the video. If you found this content insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more market breakdowns. Also, let me know in the comments down below what is your bold prediction for the market this year. See you next time. Cheers.